beauty bloggers are gushing about this newfound hair care miracle called broccoli seed oil. Today's video will discuss a trending hair care miracle with broccoli seed oil. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Some are even calling it a one-stop shop for every kind of hair treatment. Believe it or not, this magical ingredient comes from the same grainy veggie that children hate and dietitians love. Broccoli seed oil benefits are many and has always been looked at as healthy ingredient. Broccoli seed extract is now finding a place in the formula of hair serum, shampoos, conditioner as well as hair mask. What is so amazing about broccoli seed oil? 1. Uses of broccoli seed oil rich with the ideal fatty acids, vitamins and antioxidants. Broccoli seed oil is a perfect massage oil that nourishes and strengthens your hair strands. Number 2. This non-greasy oil has excellent absorption properties and feels very light on the hair. Number 3. The moisturizing properties of broccoli seed oil helps create a protective layer for your hair. Number 4. The oil offers natural shine along with keeping your hair clean and healthy. Number 5. Broccoli seed oil is very effective in controlling frizz and making your hair silky and smooth. Number 6. It also acts as an effective heat protectant. Stylists are introducing broccoli seed oil for hair to their customers who are looking for herbal as well as beautifying hair care treatment. Broccoli oil for hair is the best natural replacement for silicone as it offers the same qualities without damaging your hair. Cold-pressed broccoli seed oil is available in the market. Wondering how to use broccoli oil for hair? Wash your scalp with a small amount of broccoli seed oil before washing your hair, or use a few drops of broccoli seed oil in your conditioner to enhance the feel and shine of your hair. Include broccoli seed oil in your hair care regimen and notice the difference in just a few weeks. Have you ever known the benefits of broccoli seed oil? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.